So this is the ACCELATEC license plate lights for your 10 to 14 S197 Mustang. They're a direct replacement, they're LED, so they're super bright and brighten up everything else around your vehicle. So let me show you how to install these lights on our Mustang. So this is a very quick and easy install. All you need is two tools, a pry bar and a screwdriver. There's this trim piece that goes across the lights here. All we're gonna do is take a plastic pry bar, pry down on it between the body. There's 3 tabs. Once we have the trim piece off, we can remove our lights. Grab your Phillips and take the 2 screws out. Once the screw's out, all you do is just push down on the light and it pops right out. Grab your new LED light and slide it into place. And then screw it back down. As you can tell from the lights, this LED is a lot brighter than the halogen. So let me get this one replaced, and then your installation is complete. Once you screw those lights back in, remember to put this trim piece back in. I was really happy how these lights went back in all together and really brighter than the factory ones. If you're looking for more LED lights for your S197, go to cjponyparts.com.